Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is HBS again. Today I'll be showing you how to make a boobs cream. So if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. Thank you, I really appreciate you. And if you're new to this channel, you want to consider subscribing to this channel and click on the bell beside the subscription icon to get notified each time there is a video coming from me or each time I make an upload, because we have loads and tons of interesting formulation and DIY videos coming up on skincare products and more on body enhancement. Okay guys, so if you're also interested in training with us, I want to remind you that our online training on skincare is ongoing. We have training on skincare and we also have training on body enhancement classes. So guys, what I want you to know is that I want you guys to know that before I share anything on my YouTube channel, it means that I have tried it and I have reviews from it. Is tested and trusted before I'll share with my subscribers. So this cream is going to firm, it's going to lift, it's going to repair your saggy boobs. So if you're interested in this, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. It's a simple recipe and it's really effective. So guys, the first thing on my list is shea butter. So you need to get original shea butter, the real shea butter, if you want this to work. So I'll be using one tablespoon of this of shea butter. So this is my shea butter. The next thing on my list is this. Okay guys, so this is ginger powder. This is ginger powder. Ginger powder helps in repairing and firming your saggy boobs. So just watch what I'm doing and follow this recipe, this measurement exactly. So I'll be using like not up to half, like quarter spoon. Then the next thing on my list is clay. This is so you can use any clay of your choice. Clay has the ability to dry out. It has the ability to shrink out, to dry out. So if you're using, so I'll be using half spoon of my clay. So that's my clay powder. I'll be using half spoon of my clay powder. So next on my list is Goya oil. So we all know olive oil, Goya olive oil. So that is what I'll be using. I'll be using half of this. I'll be using quarter spoon of this. So the next thing now for me to do is to mix. Stay tuned to the end of this video to know how to use this. Do not skip the video so you don't miss out on important information. So this is just an illustration video. That's why I'm making this little quantity. So if you are increasing this quantity, you just double the measurement till you get your desired quantity. So make sure that you mix thoroughly. So a quick recap. In here I have my shea butter. Make sure that your shea butter is original shea butter. So in here I have my shea butter. Then the next thing I have in here is my ginger powder, followed by clay powder. Any clay of your choice. You can use bentonite clay or kaolin clay. Then the last thing I have in here is my olive oil, my Goya oil. Make sure it's extra virgin olive oil. So that's what I have in here. Then you have to mix thoroughly. Mix and mix thoroughly. So now, how to apply this? So if you are not a DIY person, you can also buy product from us. You can buy body enhancement product from us. You can buy stretch mark product from us. You can buy skincare product from us. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, and please do well to turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time there is a video coming from me. You pick a little quantity. Then let's say this is your boobs. I'm sorry I cannot show my boobs. Okay, so let's say this is your boobs. Then the upper part of your boobs, you massage in a round motion like this. So after doing this, then you bring it up towards your shoulder. Make sure you're doing it towards your shoulder, up. Please do not do it downward like this. If you do it downward like this, you have more saggy boobs. So to avoid further sagging, just keep massaging in an upward way like this towards your shoulder. So you start from the upper part of your boobs. You massage in a round motion. Then you massage upward towards your shoulder. Please do this for at least 10 minutes. Do this straight for 10 minutes. Then you leave it on for another 15 minutes before you wash it off. Do this straight for 10 minutes. Then you leave for another 15 minutes before you wash it off. Okay guys, so that is my secret recipe. So we have come to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye.